mirrors or spoons. Spoons have multiple reflections, and I find that to be an intriguing phenomenon. You have to begin to draw things that reflect. You have to draw an eye drop. An eye drop is a transparent form, but technically the color of the transparency is really a byproduct of the disinhibited. They are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also removed from these phonological augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have extreme. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's green.
Stimuli is augmented, modified, or augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have extreme. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's green.
40 hertz. If your A chord consists of 440 hertz. So when you double the 440 hertz, you get 880 hertz. That consists